riding a jet ski out in the middle of our Lake Clayton with Billy back here. It's on video, Bill! Don't even do it, Nate. I'll fucking kill you. The zoom's not working. Maybe the zoom doesn't. This thing's got no fucking balls. You can see him knee-deep water. Did you kill it? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Is it just running like that or what?
It's running really shitty. I'm feeling some mud.